Can someone explain to me why my cat's obsessed with my bras?
Hey, producer, check out the frosting. Oh, buddy.
But if that's my cat.
Did you get that? Oh my god.
Pull the lever, Crunk.
No. My love.
Do you want to eat?
Meow, 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 ow!
Over these double baked potatoes.
Lagi begitu tuh foto.
Astagfirullahaladzim.
Come on, guys.
Okay.
Kane, let's go.
Go on. Say.
You bastard.
Max, I knew you. Princess!
Hello? Phoenix?
In nomine Patris. Hello.
Give me the bottle.
Animal of this.
Bitch. Look at this little kitten. Hey. Oh, did she say hi? Oh! Osman! Do it.
Cheeseburger.
She's so brave. She's well behaved.
Are you tired?
You're gonna fall. You're gonna fall. Ah!
Night. Do you not like it? Oh no!
But to see him laugh about it, that wasn't cool, and I just thought it was important.
What are you looking at?
There's nothing there. What's wrong?
The freaking counters! Augustus!
Hi, Boxer. You're so pretty. You're so pretty. Pretty fat.
The choice is yours.
Iverson, did you swear to give up without trying? TikTok.
You gonna do some dancing for?
Obviously you're out of formation. Your shoulder has to line up with the back of my shoulder.
The water good too.
Come here.
And that's not it. That looks like a house cat.
You get out.
Oh my god!
A fix of your life is
Oh no.
Damn, you got something on you. You just got something. Good job, Whisper. Good job. Oh my god.
你好 How are you 啊
Brother,
No hiding spot.
This is my cat, Mimi. She loves me.
Oh. Hi, how you doing?
Look!
Knock it off. Hey.
You are a fox. Funny.
His tail. Oh.
He could do it if he tried.